Hi and welcome to another DCG tutorial. So this question now is going to be the 2013 paper, section A and question A-1. So it's a nice little orthographic projection question, so let's read through it. So the 3D graphic below shows a Rubik's Cube and a display stand. So here's a Rubik's Cube and our display stand. The drawing on the right shows the incomplete projections of the objects. A, complete the elevation of the cube, and B is plan to package the cube without their stand in a plastic sphere. Determine the diameter of the smallest possible sphere that will contain the cube and draw the sphere in the end view. Okay, so first things first, complete the elevation of the cube. So what we have here is we have the plan and the end view of the Rubik's Cube, and we have to complete the elevation. So we're just going to be projecting from the end view across the elevation and the plan straight up. Before we do that though, I'm going to label certain points because we need to know what's in front and what's behind. Okay, so it's a cube, so we have 4 points at the back here and 4 points at the front. Alright, so we're going to label them in the end view and then we're going to label them the same points in the plan. I'm going to go with obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 at the front here, so we'll go point 1, point 2 in the front, point 3 down at the base, and then point 4 back there. And we'll go with A, B, C, D at the back just to make it different. A, B, C, and then D. Okay, as you're looking down from plan, you're going to see 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. 4 straight lines, alright? So you see here in plan, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D is at the back, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the front. So this line here, this is point A, this is point 1. Okay, and so on. So in the front, I said there, this is point 2, and over here is point 4, and 3 is right below A there, so they're right below each other. So this is point 3 as well. A goes to B, C, and then you have D. Now it's very straightforward. You project from the plan straight up, you project from the end view straight across, alright? Now we can mark in our points and then we can figure out how it looks, whether it's strong, hidden detail, so on. Let's go with our point 1, and this is point 1 here. 2, 2, 3, down here, 4. Then at the back we have A, we have B, C is here, and then this is D. So that is our two squares, and join them up as they should be. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 finishes off back at point 1. Same thing with A, B, C, and D. Now you can see we have our 2 squares. Now the next step is to figure out what's this in front. So if this is the end view and you're projecting from this direction, then what you're going to see first is points 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're at the front, therefore they're going in strong. Same thing from the plan, look, you're projecting down from the top. So this is the elevation looking in this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is in strong. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4, that's square and strong. And remember, look, 3 is hidden details actually in the stand, so when you get that far, it's going to be hidden detail. Okay, and that's the elevation done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the strong square in front, and then the other square is at the back. Now part B, so it's planned to package a cube without the stand in a plastic sphere. Determine diameter of the smallest possible sphere that will contain the cube and draw that sphere in the end view. So we're drawing over here in the end view, and it's not going to contain this packaging. So basically we're just going to inscribe that rectangle inside of a sphere. So points A and 3 are directly below each other, so you can see there in the plan. So if I join them together, and I'm going to bisect that line to find the center, and that will give us the radius for the circle that's going to fit around that rectangle. No, actually joining diagonals will do the same job as that. Join 1, 6 there, that is the center. So if it's going to be the smallest possible sphere, then I must inscribe the rectangle. So I'm just going to draw that in strong. The question done is part B done. So nice little orthographic projection question. If you don't need labelling and you can fly away through it, that's well and good, but labelling always helps so that you know for sure what you're at. So that's the orthographic projection short question done. Hope that helped. If it did, leave a like, and if you want to see certain questions done, leave a comment and in the comment section below. Okay, thank you and good luck.